Aloha everyone! I'm Gabby
And I'm Georgie,
and we are the mummies of Sisterhood Furniture
and content creators for Dixie Paint.
In this tutorial we will be working on this dressing table, which is a very special project for us because it's a custom work for a very important person, our pet's vet.
Lori asked us to paint it in white with gold accents.
We will be using a few Dixie products, starting with white narcoline, which is Dixie Furniture Glitter, and then we applied Slick Stick, which is an adhesion primer. We applied it in 2 coats, letting the piece to dry for 24 hours prior to painting. After 24 hours curing time, it's time to apply 2 coats of pure white cotton. I'm gonna pick up a generous amount of paint and just dab it all over the piece, and that will create a very soft texture. I used an old synthetic brush from Dixie Belle. This style, dabbing the paint, will damage a little bit your brush, so maybe just don't use your best brushes. After the first coat dried in about 2 hours, we can apply the second one. I used the same brush and I also dabbed the paint to create the second layer of texture. Once the paint dried, I applied some easy peasy wax around the details. Later on, we will do some shading with brown wax, and the clear one underneath will help the dark wax to be moved around easily without getting stuck in the chalk paint. In about 20 minutes, I took an artist brush, the brown wax, and I started to create some shadows around those details. I picked up a small amount of wax, then I wiped the excess on a tissue, and I just applied it around the details. Then I spread it around and faded it with a cloth, and that created some really nice shadows. After we were done with the brown wax, it's time to apply Stick With Me, the glue you need to apply prior to adding Dixie Shine, this stunning golden foil. After applying it, we need to leave it for about 15-20 minutes and then it's ready to be applied. It's super easy to apply it. I rubbed it with my fingers, then I switched to a toothbrush. I find it really easy to apply it with a toothbrush, and that's it. The brown wax needs to cure, so after 5 days we were able to apply the sealant. We used Gator Hide in 3 layers, letting each one to dry for about 2 hours. I sealed the paint with 3 layers of Gator Hide, which will give us a durable water repellent finish, and I left each coat to dry for about 2 hours. And this is the final result! Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new today. And if you did so, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more furniture tutorials. See you soon. Bye!